Hi, how are you doing? See who I have next to me today. This is Paul from Mockmill. He traveled all over the world to show people about the Mockmill. So I have actually I have the old one here. And today we're going to unbox this one. See? The beautiful one, the Lino. And thank you all the people from Instagram, thank you so much for supporting us. And what you have to do is still you have time till the 21st of January, no, December, 21st of December to tag your friend.
3 days.
Yeah, only 3 days left. Just tag your friend. See who's the lucky one's going to win this. Paul, say something about that.
Like us at Mockmill and at Beesham the baker, and you're up to win your own personal Lino. We send these to 80 countries around the world, and we're always happy when we get a new country.
Yeah.
So let's have as much participation as possible. We're delighted that we found such interest through Beesham in fresh milling.
Yeah. So let's check out how.
Well, first we get the book. That's very important. When you get a Mockmill, do us a favor, read the book. We tried to make it really nice and short and to the point, and this information in it will help you get the most of your Mockmill, and it'll keep you from having to chase us up with small problems. We love to talk to you, but we prefer you chase us up to tell us how happy you are. So read the book, please. Okay, then there's a little bit of a warning that there's a transport device to take out. Beesham and I are going to show you how that works. It's no big deal, okay? But it's important. So, let's see. We work really hard to package your Mockmill well, and at the top you have the nice wooden lid to the hopper. To take that out.
What a beautiful meal.
Look at that. That's it.
Oh,
This is your hand-turned hopper, and you can see it's really nicely well packaged to go any place in the world. And we're just going to lift it out. Now these are heavy. These mills are heavy because they got a really strong industrial motor in them. And so you have to be a bit careful when you take them out. It helps to be two folks. And that's it. Okay? It's that simply packaged for you. So we just unwind the power cable.
Here you have the
And you can see it has the same dimensions as the Mockmill 200. In fact, for the job they'll do, these are the same mill. The inside of them is exactly the same. What's different is the housing. This is our Mockmill 200, Mockmill 100 series. We're very proud of these because you can make the best professional quality whole grain flour possible with these, and at a really affordable price. If you want to have a little bit of heirloom quality in your mill, something where your grandkids will fight over this when you die, then
this one will go generation after generation.
A little bit more, and you get the beautiful wooden casing. This is a classic Wolfgang Mock design with some nice organic texture to it, and it's designed to last a whole lifetime. So anyway, you see here though, it's got this little red tab here. And everybody could believe that that's not meant to stay there. So what do? We open up the mill here by turning the hopper. And you want to learn to do this because you should open your mill often and take a look inside. All right. And inside we see the works of the mill. There's the two stones between which the flour is made. The one at the bottom turns with the motor. The one at the top just sits, and it can only go up and down. All right, and we adjust it to determine how far up it can go or how close it has to stay to the other one to make fine flour. And if you pull on this red tab here, you get a little piece of rubber tubing here, or rubber buffer, that protected your Mockmill on its way to you in transport. And you can put it aside. You probably never will ever need it again or find another use for it. Please don't throw it away, but and keep it in case you want to take your Mockmill with you on holiday. You may. That's a strong risk, right? But that's it. So there we are. Except for the need to initiate the mill by running a little bit of rice through it a couple of times to make sure that you're not going to get any materials off of the stone in your flour. We're ready to go.
So what we're going to do now for today and tomorrow, we're going to bake a lot of breads, different breads. We're going to mill all the grains. And stay tuned and follow us, and we will continue adding the videos, and see you next.